Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a flat, dry patch of wall where notes will stick reliably. Once chosen, test one note in a corner. Press firmly for 5 seconds to set the adhesive. Make sure to color code by priority now. This saves time later. Use a small level or ruler to align a horizontal baseline. After that, place the first row of notes edge to edge without overlapping so you can add rows cleanly. Keep consistent spacing for a tidy grid. Now you expand the layout into columns and rows, aligning each note to the baseline you created. Once done, label the top note of each column to define categories so you and others scan quickly. Make sure to leave a small gap, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch, between notes so individual pieces peel off without disturbing neighbors. If notes at the edge will be handled often, reinforce their adhesive with a tiny piece of clear tape behind the top edge. Finish by reviewing the board and adjusting any misaligned notes. You want visual balance. When you remove a note, peel from a top corner toward the center to prevent tearing and minimize wall damage. Make sure to refresh faded or curling notes promptly, swap them for new ones, or add a tiny reusable adhesive tab. If notes won't stick or leave residue, test a mild cleaner on a small unseen patch before treating the whole area. This prevents finish damage and preserves the wall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.